Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to change sleep settings in Windows 11. Let's do it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Click on it. In settings, system, scroll down. Here power option. Go here. In power option, screen and sleep option. Click on it. When plugged in, turn off my screen after this first option is going to sleep over 5 minutes. Second option is going to go for a lock screen 15 minutes after. You can change it never or whatever time you want. First option is screen off, sleep screen. Second option is going for lock screen. You can change it whatever time. This also never, you can change it. And that's it guys. Another way to go there is go to search menu and type control panel. Control panel category, select on large icons and go power option. Here you can change it to power saver or balanced. You can save your energy by reducing your computer's performance while possible. Change when the computer sleep. Here's the option. Turn off the display is here bro. You can change it now. Anything you want. Put the computer to sleep. This is going to be lock screen guys. That's it. That's it guys. You want to restore default settings, this is the option for that. That's it guys. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up guys.